The Infinix Hot 70 Pro is shaping up as a mid-range smartphone upgrade that's attracting attention with its expected combination of solid display, dependable camera, and long-lasting battery life ahead of its official launch. Rumored listings indicate the phone will sport a large 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a high refresh rate panel that should deliver smooth visuals and vibrant colors, paired with a 50MP main camera and a decent 13MP front shooter for everyday photography needs. Under the hood, it's likely to run on a MediaTek-based octa-core chipset with around 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, offering satisfactory performance for daily use and casual multitasking. The battery is expected to be around 5,160 mAh, promising solid endurance, although official details on fast charging support are still unconfirmed. Most of the current spec information remains unofficial, with regional price trackers placing the expected launch in mid to late 2026, possibly around August or October 2026 depending on the market. Exact release dates and full technical details will only be confirmed once Infinix makes an official announcement.